Dish soap can clear light toilet clogs quickly, but enzyme-based drain cleaners are better for organic buildup and preventive maintenance. For a simple clog caused by excess toilet paper or partial blockage, pour a generous amount of liquid dish soap into the bowl. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to lubricate the trap and soften the obstruction. Then add warm but not boiling water from waist height to create gentle pressure and flush. Enzyme-based cleaners use biological agents such as protease and amylase to digest organic matter over hours to days, so use them according to the label and allow overnight action for best results. They will not produce instant plunging-like results, but do reduce recurring organic buildup in the drain line. When choosing between them, consider cost per use, local availability, and safety. Dish soap is extremely cheap and usually available in any home, while enzyme products cost more but are safer for pipes and septic systems than corrosive chemicals. For an immediate emergency in a home without tools, dish soap plus warm water and a manual flush attempt is a practical first step that avoids harsh chemicals. If that fails, try a plunger or plumbing auger rather than repeating home remedies. For routine maintenance of toilets connected to septic systems or older cast iron pipes, an enzyme cleaner applied periodically breaks down organic solids and helps maintain flow without harming bacterial balance in the tank. Always avoid mixing enzyme products with bleach or strong acid cleaners, as that reduces biological activity and can create harmful reactions. Common mistakes include assuming dish soap will remove solid non-organic objects and continuing to flush, which risks overflow. Stop flushing, remove excess water if safe, and use a plunger or an auger to retrieve the object. Another issue is expecting enzyme cleaners to work instantly during an acute clog. They require time, so for urgent blockages, switch to mechanical methods and reserve enzymes for follow-up and prevention. A third mistake is using harsh chemical drain cleaners in toilets, which can damage porcelain, seals, and septic bacteria. Choose mechanical clearing methods for immediate relief and enzyme treatments for maintenance to avoid chemical damage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work through our listings and project posting tools. We also host a discussion community where we and our users share real experience, tips, and recommendations on plumbing fixes and product comparisons.